Hi everyone, today I will guide you on how to automatically and quickly post in Facebook groups using MKT Care software. In the previous video, I showed you how to scrape group UIDs by keyword, and today I'll teach you how to post by group ID. First, you need to go to Viral Marketing and select the group posting feature. Then, configure the settings just as I have done in the software. Next, you need to input the group UID where you want to post, check the option to post by group ID, and enter the group UID. Finally, select the account and click to start. I hope you enjoy the video, and see you in the next videos. If you want to try out the software, feel free to contact me using the information in the description below.